Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can change the HDMI on your HP monitor. So now this really depends on, I know what kind of model you got, but the process applies is that you're gonna have a monitor and right there you're gonna find the first button from the left, like right here, it's going to be the menu. And when you're going to press the menu, then the menu appears and there you are going to find something like inputs or source. So you just want to look there with the arrows, with the plus and minus. That's it. But on some monitors, what you're going to find is that the for button is going to be the plus/source. If the OS menu is inactive, press to activate the source button that chooses the video signal input. And you just want to press that button alone when the menu is not turned on. So you're not going to press the menu, you're just going to press the plus source button. It's going to look like this. Wait a second, I just have to locate it for you. It's going to look like this. So that's it. Have a great day and goodbye.